Hello, friends, and welcome to Smart English Official. A brand new year is ahead of us. Today, let's talk about making 2026 your best year yet. Many of us want a better life but feel unsure how to begin. That's completely okay. You are not alone in feeling this way. 2026 is a fresh start. You don't have to change everything overnight. You don't need to be perfect. Small, steady steps are powerful. One small positive step each day can truly transform your future. In this video, we will explore 6 key areas for a better life. These tips are simple, practical, and anyone can follow them. Let's learn together and make 2026 a turning point. Your thoughts shape your reality. How you think about yourself and your life decides your path. Negative thinking makes life feel heavy. Positive thinking makes challenges feel lighter. The first step is to notice your inner voice. Do you often think, "I can't do this," or "I'm not good enough"? These thoughts hold you back. Gently replace them with, "I am learning," or "I can try." This shift is powerful. Remember, mistakes are not failures. They are proof that you are trying and learning. A positive mindset means believing you can handle problems and grow from them. Think about your future self. Small choices today build a better tomorrow. Big success comes from small daily habits. Your routines quietly shape your life. Start with your morning. Try waking up 15 minutes earlier. Don't reach for your phone first. Instead, drink a glass of water, stretch, or take a few deep breaths. This calm start gives you energy and focus. Your evening routine is just as important. Try to sleep at a similar time each night. Before bed, put away bright screens. Reflect for a few minutes. What was one good thing today? What's one small thing I can do better tomorrow? This brings peace. Don't try to build 10 habits at once. Pick one. Be consistent. Doing a little every day is better than doing a lot once. Motivation changes, but good habits stay. This year, focus on learning one valuable skill. This is better than trying to learn many things and feeling overwhelmed. A new skill builds confidence. It can open doors to new opportunities, better work, or extra income. Skills are assets you keep forever. What skill should you choose? Pick something useful for your life right now. It could be a digital skill, better communication, time management, or basic problem solving. Use free online lessons, videos, and articles. But remember, practice is key. Learn a little, then do it. Mistakes are part of the journey. They mean you're progressing. Your body and mind are your foundation. If you're always tired, change is difficult. Self-care is essential, not selfish. Sleep well. Good sleep improves your mood, focus, and energy. Try for consistent sleep times. Eat simply. Have regular meals and drink water. Good food is fuel. Move gently. A 15-minute walk or stretch can boost your mood and reduce stress. Care for your mind. Take short breaks. Breathe deeply. Stop comparing your journey to others. Rest is a need, not a reward. A healthy you can handle life's challenges much better. Your surroundings affect you more than you realize. This includes your physical space, your phone, and the people around you. A tidy space helps create a clear mind. Start by organizing one small area, like your desk. Manage your digital space. Social media can waste time and energy. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Set a time limit for apps. Choose positive influences. Spend time with people who support you. Listen to content that teaches or inspires you, not just worries you. Your environment should help you grow, not hold you back. Dreams need action. Planning is good, but doing is what creates change. Start small. Read for 5 minutes. Practice for 10. The key is to begin today. Don't wait for the perfect time. It never comes. The best time is now. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Some days will be easy, others hard. What matters is not stopping. Even a tiny effort on a tough day keeps you moving forward. Track your progress simply. Note one thing you did each day. Seeing your small wins builds confidence and momentum. Be patient. Change takes time. Don't compare your path to anyone else's. 2026 can be your year of positive change. Start with your mindset, build strong habits, learn one skill, care for your health, design a supportive environment, and take consistent action. You can do this. Begin with one small step today. Thank you for watching Smart English Official. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more simple tips to improve your life and English. See you in the next video.